Oh, sure. That's easy, isn't it?
We answered. Hello, guys. My name is Noah, and today we are playing Do Not Touch the Water because it's gonna be flooding. And so, okay, let's go. I can't. Okay, I can touch the hose, but not the water. I'm down. What? I have free hearts left. Free. I want to stop saying free. I need to get over there to get to the next level. On the top of the steps. I think I know how to. But it includes this ring. Oh. I'm not climbing on glass, don't worry. Okay. I'm going. Finn, look out! Okay. I know how to do it. But Finn is gonna get crushed if I put it down. Stop! He's trying to eat it. It's not a toy. Whoa. I did it. I just need to stop it, Finn! Okay, that's okay. Finn messed it up, so we'll fix it. I'm sliding down. Whoa, I did it. I beat the level in 1. I don't know how much time. And now we need a level 2, level. What is that?
Top of the grid.
What?
Top of the grid. Drop.
Level 2, dropper. Oh wait, I forgot to say the level 1 is called the flood in the backyard. This one is called dropper because you need a drop all the way down it. Okay, so first. Oh no.
Get away from that.
Whoa, I slid it down. And then you see the wet parts, you can't touch those. So you see this part, I can touch that, but not that part. Finn is going crazy right now.
Hey.
Don't eat me, eat Aflac. And then you need to go back there into a little maze. This should be at the end. See? Okay, we're out of the maze. Oh. Okay, this is my point of view. Whoa. Oh yeah, I was touching the good stuff. But now I need to slide down all the way into the basement. Okay, it looks like we got to the second level. I'm in the third level. Level 3. Neighbor's backyard. So we can touch the shadows as well. It's cool. So we need to jump. Pretend that was water. Here, there's water in there. Just pretend. And pretend there's parts that we couldn't touch. So, oh yikes, guys. Pretend the grass was water. What? 5 hearts remaining. So we need oh, look at them. 2 hearts remaining. 1 heart remaining. Okay, I'm using the teleporting skills. Boing, I'm there. Okay, I'm back. Hiya! Whoa. B. And you can't touch the BC. Oh yeah, level 3 was called. Oh yeah, I already told you. Level 4, the picnic. So, then that's lava. And every level you have like 20 hearts. So, 15 hearts remaining, so we need to go. But then that step is water, so we need to over that one. And then that one. So we need to go over that. Jump. We can't jump over it. You got over. Okay. I can't see. Oh, yes, we need to go on the sidewalk. Okay, we just walk on the shadow. And then, here we go. Oh, I told you about level. Was this level 4 or 5? Okay, I'll just say this level 5. And this level is called level 6, the end of the flood. So you need to find a lever. Okay. You need to find something that has a lever in it. 3 hearts remaining. Oh no. When you didn't. Oh, lever. Okay, that's on. Come on. Come on, this is hard. Okay, this is not hard. Oh, that one's off. Okay. This one's off. 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 We have beat the game. Wait, that was not the end. There's still other levers that you need to find. Level 7. Almost the end. Okay, we're almost at the end. Okay, so it looks like you need bang, bang, bang on this. And then you go down. And then bang, bang, bang. And then you fall in the water. And then you need, whoa, get up. And I done that, so we need to use the magic teleporter to get over there. So I'm there. Okay. Whew. Let's done this. And then let's do this. I'm so confused because like level 6 is it's the end. It like freaks you. Watch it. This is just a little game play. This is real life. If you didn't know. But need to find another lever. Okay, there's only one lever in this level. But then if you jump over here, we find some stairs. Wait, those are the stairs that are for the last level. But it's locked. See, we can't open it. You must be able to be on the last level to beat this. Come in here. Hey, you guys play soccer? Okay, they're playing soccer. Level 8. The flood gets bigger. Wow, the flood gets bigger. It's getting bigger. We can't stand on the sidewalk anymore. What will we do? Get the teleporter from a higher ground. Oh yikes! Oh yikes! It rises super fast. Oh my! Oh no! I need the teleporter. It's over there. It's over there. What? Ah! No! Oh yikes! I think I made it. Level 9. Defeat the dog. I don't think it's the boss. Are you the one that's making all this water flood? Ah! What? Level 10? Well, this is not the end. Okay, level 10. Sweep. Huh? What? Tish!
Yeah?
Do this!
What?
Do this! The quad looks so funny!
Really?
Yeah! Come on. Tish! Look at the clouds! Look at the no, come over here, Tish. Look at the clouds! And look.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
Level 10 is actually called climb. You need to climb. teleport. Have the teleport button. Okay, so we need to climb this stuff, I think. Okay, there's an invisible platform right there. Let me jump on. Whoa, no. Oh, I'm still on the platform. Oh, it's super windy. Wow. Guys, I think that's the secret of all of this. You need to really go into West over the video. Skip. Okay, so let's go over here. Okay, level 11. The big girl boss. So we're gonna fight this girl. Level 12. Run from the flood. Oh no, all the wood is coming. We need to run. Oh yes, this is a new feature because we can run now. Okay, those are the bosses right there. Level 13. Climb to the tree. Okay, we need to climb to the tree. Climb to the tree. Climb. Okay. We're right here on the tree and then glitch. Yes, it did. So you didn't even need like and then jump. But that was just a glitch. Beat the level 13. How it says. Okay, you need to jump on the leaves. Okay, this called jump on the leaves. Okay, there's no leaves here. There's some invisible leaves. I can see it. You guys can't because it doesn't show it on my iPad. This is actually a phone. So it's got just Finn's playing the game too. He's on the same level as me. He's found me. Okay, so press F and then like you can do that, and then I'll glitch and then you're here and you'll have 50 yards actually, and you just see run forward, and that brings us here. Now we have 100 hearts. Whoa, 97 hearts remaining. Yes, I beat it. We're so boss game, guys. Whatever. I forget. I'm losing track here. But this one was called Go in the Brick House. So we need to go in the brick house. Knock on the door. Knock on the door. We fell the trap. You need to get on top of these reefs. Whoa. 200 hearts. Okay, we're gonna do this. Okay, this is so hard. Oh, yes. Yeah, man. Jump on the reefs. And what? Super glitch. Let me look at mine. And then mine. Okay, my are very dirty. Can you see that stuff? That's my footprint. Okay, so, you need to get up here. And then we need to and then it brings us here. Tap, and then it brings us here. And then we go here. Then we have 1,000 hearts. Then we need a tap again. Brings us all the way to here. And it brings us another lever. Oh, I hope we can beat this game in this video. We'll do one more level. Level 5th level. And I'm going to try. Jump on the dirt. You can only jump on the dirt on this. There's like dirt that you guys can't see because I'm not really sure. The ground, just trying to show what I can see. Whoa. Let me show you what Finn saw there. Whoa. Okay, so that's what Finn said. And thank you guys for watching. Let's try to get 100 likes and a lot of subscribers. Right, Tish? And Finn, yep. And Chris, yup. Okay, we'll see you on part 2. Bye.